you're like me and you barbecue a lot, you know how hard it is to keep your barbecue clean, especially that grill. I was sent this barbecue brush for my review, and I know you're saying that's not a barbecue brush, that's a scraper, but this is a stainless steel, super durable with that scraper, and I'm gonna show you what that brush looks like in just a second. But I want you to notice and see how huge and heavy duty this handle is. It's part hard plastic and then rubberized on that end. So it really feels nice. You've got, able to have that thumb action right here, so you'll be able to put that pressure down as needed. Love also, of course, that there's a really nice hook. And then, of course, the brush. Now, I'm going to show you the brush by itself at first because I think it's super cool to see. I don't know if it's hard on camera to see, but you see these little dimples, all these little bumps. Those are silicone bumps that are high fire, high heat resistant, and will kind of grip on that grime and scrape it off. Now, this whole thing is a sponge. It's made of that fire, it's kind of like those firefighters coats. That's what the actual fabric is. So cool, because it's not going to catch on fire, of course. It's not going to deteriorate with fire. It will get dirty, but it's cleanable. So you can actually run it under water with some soap and you'll be able to clean it, which is nice. But then check this out. What I love is usually, and we've all seen these before, where it's really hard to take in and out, but check this out. This one here, you just go like that, and you've got that little arrow, and then I can literally just go, and I'll put it this way so you can actually see. Look at this. I literally will go like that and lock it into place. Let me see. There we go. Locked in place. Now it's not going anywhere. Of course, when I'm ready to take it out and clean it, I can literally just slide that out. But now it's locked in and it's there. Now, of course, you've got, I forgot to mention this, you've got the main scraper, yes, but then you've got these little kind of like areas where you can go into that grill and kind of clean the undercarriage of the grill, which is also super important. Now, how do you use this? You need some water, because we will be plunging this into water to make sure that that sponge gets all the water it needs. So we're gonna leave that here. And then, of course, my barbecue is full blast, full power. Look at this, it's 550 degrees right now. So I'm gonna turn the burners off. I'm gonna show you, obviously it's smoking, fire is gone, so you have to turn the burners off, but you see all that grime, all that grease. It's kind of discoloration. So we're gonna see what happens here. There's gonna be a lot of steam because you are using the power of steam, which is great. It's gonna get all of that grime off in literally, look at that. It is so easy to apply, and as you can see, the dimples are doing their work. So we're gonna get more water. And I'm gonna scrape. Look at that scraper here. I can literally go onto that side. I can go under. Look how great it is to go under. Look how disgusting the undercarriage was. And then literally use that sponge to get the top area done. I can go on the sides just like that. Look at that. It is so nice. I want to bring your attention to this part right here. This one here I did on, look at this. Look at that grime there. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. So nice and so easy. So you can actually do your entire barbecue with just a few swipes. I'm not applying a lot of pressure, but if you want and if you need to, you can. There's no need to pre-clean your grill. All you need to do is make sure that it's hot. I had it about 10 minutes running, so that heat was going to be really hot, obviously. And then you are done and you're ready to cook with it, or you're ready to, obviously have it cooked or have it ready for the next time you cook with it. And this, of course, I can take off. I'm going to just slide that out and literally just clean this off, and I'm ready for the next time. This one here is probably the best one I've ever used, just because of its heavy dutiness. It is rugged and it works like a charm.